In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of your videos from 9:16 to 16:9. So as you can see here, I've just uploaded this video in my Shotcut and added it to my timeline. However, even though it appears to be wide, it is still in a mobile phone format or a portrait format. So I like to change this in a landscape format or a 16:9 aspect ratio. So to change the aspect ratio of your video to landscape, just go ahead and click on the timeline of your video. As you can see, here it is, and then go to settings. So my settings is here. So if you tap on settings, now here, scroll and look for the video mode option, and here we can see it is. Then from here, scroll down until you see the option called custom mode, and then tap on add. So if you tap on add, you can see the aspect ratio is currently set to 9:16. So we want to go ahead and interchange this so that it becomes 16:9, and then tap on OK. And look at that. The video has just transformed immediately from 9:16 to 16:9. So that's how you change the aspect ratio of your videos in Shotcut from 9:16 to the aspect ratio of 16:9. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.